Kids Nursery. Learning through listening.
Animals or birds and their young ones. Duck. A baby duck is known as
A duckling.
dog. A baby dog is known as
A puppy.
cat. A baby cat is called as
Kitten.
cow. A baby cow is known as
A calf.
elephant. A baby elephant is known as
A calf.
tiger. A baby tiger is known as
A cub.
chicken. A baby chicken is known as
Chick.
pig. A baby pig is known as
A piglet.
bear. A baby bear is known as
A cub.
rabbit. A baby rabbit is known as
A bunny.
horse. A baby horse is known as
A foal.
kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is known as
A joy.
lion. A baby lion is known as
A cub.
goat. A baby goat is known as
A kid.
deer. A baby deer is known as
A fawn.
monkey. A baby monkey is known as
An elephant.
donkey. A baby donkey is known as
A foal.
frog. A baby frog is known as
A tadpole.
owl. A baby owl is known as
An owlet.
sheep. A baby sheep is known as
A lamb.